back to my channel. Today I have a creative look for you. As you can tell, I haven't done one of these in a really long time, so I'm so excited to do this tutorial for you guys, and I hope you enjoy it. And of course you probably can tell already, it's a mermaid. So keep watching to see how I get this complete look. Also, by the way, I did DIY this crown. If you guys are interested in seeing how I did this crown as well, let me know, and I did DIY this piece as well. So let's get into this.
The first items I'll be using is the Elements palette from Urban Decay. I am obsessed with this palette. It is so beautiful and there's so many colors to choose from that are super pigmented. The first color I'm using is Hex Remedy, which is this purple metallic shade right here. I'm applying this to the crease of my eye and blending it in gently so that it fades in nicely. I'm also applying this to the inner part of my eye, not the inner corner but close to it. And I'm also applying it to the outer corner of my eye. I'm also going to take this color along my bottom lash line. With this blue metallic-y shade, Sapphire Dream, I'm applying this right over the purple in the inner part and outer part of my eyelid to bring a more aquatic, mystical finish. For the center of my lid, I'm actually going to be using a liquid lipstick from ColourPop Cosmetics. I don't quite remember the name as everything has faded off the product, but it's a super bright pink shade. As you can see, I'm just patting it onto the center of my lid and then blending it out with my ring finger. And right over that, I'm going to go ahead and mix these two shades, Ego and Dreamweaver. I'm also going to apply this mixture to the inner corner of my eyes, where we would normally apply the highlighter, and the outer edges of my eyeshadow to blend out my edges. Taking my NYX Vivid Brights eyeliner in Vivid Blossom, I create dots right over the center of my lid to add some texture. Now going back into my Elements palette, I'm grabbing this center shade, Luna, and using this as a highlighter for the inner corner of my eyes. Now that I'm pretty much done with my eyeshadow, I'm going to go ahead and clean up under my eyes and conceal as usual. For my eyebrows, I'm going to be using this color mascara from NYX and filling in my brows. And with the Vivid Blossom eyeliner, I'm just going to add a bit more texture to my brows by adding streaks. Then I'm starting on my face by applying my foundation as usual. Next, I'm extending my brows and defining and contouring my nose with the same purple shade of eyeshadow from Elements palette. Using this plum pink shade, I'm going to go ahead and contour my face and really get in there along my forehead and hollows of my cheek. And right over that, I'm going to go into those contour areas again with the same purple shadow that we've been using to tie the look all together. I wanted to add some more touches to my eyeshadow, so I'm going to go ahead and grab my Obsessive Compulsive Cosmetics glitter, and with some eyelash glue, I'm just applying some dots of glitter on my lids and below my eyes. And now, for a quick ASMR break. I'm also going to be adding just a tad bit more details using eyelash glue and gold foil. These small touches really make the whole look. For my lips, honestly, I mixed a bunch of different shades that I can't quite remember which they were, but they were all liquid lipsticks and glosses from ColourPop Cosmetics. I used vivid pinks, light pinks, copper metallics, creamy metallic shades, metallic green shades, and a purple eyeliner to complete the whole lip look. For this entire makeup look, I drew inspiration from Milk 1422's designs. Check them out on Instagram if you haven't yet. For my mermaid scale skin, I actually used the same recipe Mikey from Glam & Gloire used for one of her mermaid makeup tutorials. I will also link that video below. To finish off my face, I'm applying highlighter to the highest points of my cheekbones, along the bridge of my nose and tip of my nose. Now, all that's missing are my lashes and contacts. And here we have our final mermaid look.
Thank you guys so much for watching. I hope you liked this tutorial. I hope you liked the way this look came out. Comment below, let me know your thoughts. It really means the world to me to hear from you guys. Also, don't forget to subscribe and hit that bell so you get notifications every time I upload a new video, especially now that it's creative season. Halloween means costumes, means creativity, and so I want to throw up a couple of creative videos for you guys. So make sure you are subscribed so you know what's going on, or you can follow me on Instagram at Nadia to keep up to date, because that's where I communicate most of my stuff more frequently. But other than that, I will check you guys later. Remember that you're absolutely beautiful, and until next time, Bye. Mwah.